how to set music share to contacts only or everyone on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth. Next, tap on the option key, then go into advanced, and then tap on music share. In here, tap on share devices with, and here you can select contacts only or everyone. Now another thing that you can do is swipe down at the top and swipe down once more. Next, tap on the option key. From the pop menu, tap on edit buttons. Next, swipe across and look for music share, then drag it down into your quick settings and then tap on done. Now in your quick settings, you can tap on music share, so just touch and hold on it. That will take you to this music share settings page, and from here you can also quickly change from contacts only to everyone. And that's it. So you can use the shortcut in your quick settings, or you can go through the menus options in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.